In this video, I will show you the 4 simple and nutrient-dense meals I enjoy every single day while prepping for a show. Now here's some key ingredients I prepare in bulk once a week. White rice, chicken, turkey bacon, steak, eggs, and potatoes. This is my favorite breakfast, especially when I don't burn the pancake. It's absolutely loaded with a wide variety of micronutrients, especially from the kiwi, the whole eggs, and the raw honey. I like this pancake mix because not only does it taste good, but it actually has no fat. All you do is mix with some water and it's ready to go. I also like to throw in some blueberries in my pancake for more flavor and basically no added calories. Start heating the pan on medium and add a dash of olive oil. I recommend spreading the olive oil around the pan to evenly coat it. Next, make the pancake batter by mixing with just enough water so the batter has a smoothie-like consistency. Start cooking the pancake. The pancake's gonna start bubbling. When it stops and the top seems to be a little cooked, flip the pancake. You can also just check under the pancake to see if it's burnt or not, to see if it's cooked or not. You want the pancake to be golden brown, not black like mine. Next, crack and peel the eggs and add the chicken to the plate, and I recommend cutting the eggs in half before you microwave it so they don't explode. Microwave for about a minute. Next, prepare the strawberries and kiwi. I like to eat the kiwi with the skin so I don't need to peel it every morning, and it's also more nutritious that way. Just make sure to rinse the pesticides off your fruit. Finally, add the pancake to your dish and drizzle some raw honey on top.
Nice.
Meal 2. Chicken and rice bowl. This is my favorite way to eat chicken and rice. Once you find the right hot sauce and seasoning, this will easily become your favorite meal. First, add the rice, chicken, and crispy turkey bacon to your bowl. I like to stack the bacon strips and rip or crush them to make the flakes faster. Put the plate in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Add low-fat cottage cheese in a separate bowl, then plenty of your favorite hot sauce and seasonings. I'm currently using these. Add the hot sauce to the main dish and mix it well.
Lovely.
This meal is bussin', that's all I gotta say.
Yeah, boy.
I'm a medium rare steak kind of guy. Get your steak from a local butcher. The drive is worth it. It tastes way better as it's grass-fed and it's cheaper than the supermarket. Add potatoes, then add steak, add veggies, and finally add ketchup. Meal 4, protein bowl.
Protein.
This one's super easy and versatile. It's a fantastic pre or post-workout meal. I highly recommend getting several different topping options and just rotating them around to keep your sex life, your diet, interesting. First, add Greek yogurt. Then, add protein powder. Then, mix it up real good. And finally, add your favorite toppings. Right now, I'm enjoying the cereal, which is high in protein and tasty. Before you go,
here's the best tips that make a cut successful.
1. Create a meal plan and prep the same meals. Don't eat random meals daily. The amount of time and energy it takes to play Tetris with your macros every day is super annoying and not sustainable. Even I can't do that. 2. Aim for a 500 calorie deficit, losing about a pound a week. With the right macros and training, you can eliminate any muscle loss, unlike with an aggressive diet where it's pretty much inevitable. Take your time and craft the best meal plan you can. You can eat anything as long as it fits your macros. The most successful cut is a slow and steady one. And when your meals are tasty, it's pretty effortless. Last one. Have a cheat day once a week. Just make sure not to go overboard. The goal is to still hit your same macros with a little more leeway, but just spice up the food selection. Thanks for watching. I made a free recipe book with these meals and more. Link is in the description.